In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy step-by-step tutorial on how to fix CapCut no internet connection, because I myself had the exact same problem, but I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it quite quickly. So what you're going to do firstly is to just close your CapCut app, and instead you're going to go into your settings app. So go into your settings app, and as you can see, we should now be taken to this page right here. So we need to come to this home page right here, as you can see. And now when you're on your home page, you can just quickly click on the Wi-Fi and just disable it right here, as you can see. And when you have actually disabled it, you can just quickly enable it after that. So by doing this basically is that you will now reconnect to your previous Wi-Fi that you actually were connected to before, but you will now get a stronger signal. What you can also do is to swipe like this and then enable your airplane mode and then disable it. You will now also be reconnected to your Wi-Fi if you were connected to your Wi-Fi before. But if you're using mobile data, this can also work by doing the airplane mode, just so you know, because it will now reconnect you and you will get a stronger signal. And now you can go back into the CapCut app and hopefully it should now fix this issue for you.